Hi, today we talk about the basic maintenance on the wave series FM transmitters. On the front panel of the transmitter there is a magnetic aluminum cover with an air filter. We suggest to clean up at regular intervals the air filter to avoid the deposit of dust. The power supply units are all swappable from the front panel of the transmitter. You only need a screwdriver to perform the operation. It is not necessary to turn off the transmitter to replace the power supply unit. Replacing the blowers is another very easy operation. You only need an Allen key. Before the operation, you must remove the connector and remove the 4 screws.